Hey guys, what's up? It's TDRP Cubing here, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Lego Rubik's Cube. Alright, so here's the package. It looks a little bit beat up, and I got this from Amazon. Alright, so here's the cube. Let's get into first turns, and then I will put the tiles on the cube and make it an actual Rubik's Cube. Not that bad. It's definitely not bad. It's a little bit tight though. Yeah, it's definitely tight. Let's check corner cutting. Alright, so about half a cubie seems to be the limit for the corner cutting on this cube. Alright, now let's put the Lego tiles on the cube and make it look like an actual Rubik's Cube. Alright, so now the cube is all stickered up. It looks really cool with the Lego tiles on it. Checkerboard looks pretty cool on it, to be honest, but the shades look kind of weird. So here's the cube in a cube and a cube and a cube pattern. So what I think I'm going to do next with this cube is an average of 5, just so I can see how well it performs. Yeah, this is pretty hard to solve on. Man, this cube is really difficult to turn with. My best time so far. Let's see if I can get a sub 20 on the last solve. Well, I guess not. Alright, pretty bad average. So that was a 28.59 second average, which is over 10 seconds what I actually average on 3x3. So this cube is definitely not made for speed cubing, but it's still a really cool puzzle to have. So that, guys, was the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, then make sure to ask them down in the comments below. Besides that, have a good day and bye. See you next time.